All right, good afternoon to you. It's Saturday and 25th day of May, or 2024, looking at a potential for severe weather tomorrow and tomorrow evening, maybe into the pre-dawn hours on Monday morning. We just had a conference call with the National Weather Service in Louisville, and we've learned a little bit about what we're going to expect throughout this day tomorrow, and we want to give you a little bit of a rundown of what we expect to happen based on the models and the weather information that we have. Currently, the Storm Prediction Center has an enhanced risk for basically all of Kentucky. Everybody is included, so it's not about the potential for one little area or this little area. It's all for everybody. We could expect severe weather mainly for the evening hours tomorrow. This is one of the things they mentioned. It'll be expected in two waves. We can expect showers and thunderstorms in the morning. We're going to give you some timelines on those. We're also looking at a potential for flooding across the area. Of course, many places across southern Kentucky have had torrential rainfall, training thunderstorms, bringing an inch or two each time, and that is going to make for a problem for flooding across much of the state. We'll look at that here in just a little bit. The Storm Prediction Center indicates for our area, this will be mainly, I'm going to say from right around West Liberty, Cynthiana, over toward London, back to the west. The best chances of, and the best concerns, I guess, at this point would be damaging winds up to 75 miles per hour or even stronger. This could be very bad if you're outside, so you need to use caution and be alert for those concerns. Not a huge tornado threat through the nighttime hours, but there is that threat. It would be the tornado threat would be greater as we go into the evening hours, not as much during the morning. That's what I was trying to say. Now, the hail threat is basically west of the line from Interstate 75 into the western part, south central part of Kentucky. That would be around Berea over toward everything to the west, basically, of I-75. That would include the Lake Cumberland area. The London, Somerset regions would suggest possibly golf ball sized hail. So that would be the main concerns for late tomorrow night and possibly into the early hours on Monday. Now, the other threat that the Weather Service is indicating is a chance of heavy rainfall and flooding. Minor flooding is possible along the Green River and the Cumberland River basins. So we need to be watchful for that. One of the things, if we have a nighttime event, which is likely to turn around and don't drown, this is very, very important. Nighttime flooding is dangerous. You simply don't even know if the roadway is even there. I've seen cases where the roadway would be completely washed out and is covered with water, and you basically do not know what is going on underneath that water. So you need to be careful about that. Main concern, again, this would be for flooding. It's all of south central Kentucky up into central Kentucky, around Lexington, Frankfort, all the way over to Bowling Green and into the hills of eastern Kentucky. So it's going to be an interesting day tomorrow, and I want to just explain something to you. This is the best way that I know to put it. Just look at tomorrow as being a severe weather day all day and not get caught up on timing, because things can change in a moment's notice. So if we tell you that the storms will be there at 10 o'clock and they're not, then you're going to be kind of upset about that. But if it gets there beforehand, you're going to say, well, why didn't you tell me? So we're going to let you know that tomorrow between like 9, 10 o'clock Central Time up into 5 o'clock or so tomorrow evening is that first wave of storms. Tornado threat pretty low, the better threat for wind and flooding. Now, as we go into the evening hours between, say, like 9 in the evening up until 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning on Monday, that's when we have the better chance at damaging winds, flooding, and large hail. So keep that in mind. That's about really all that I have at this moment. All of the slides and everything from the conference call is in the post right below this one. So make sure you share this. Let everybody know that we are having a severe weather day tomorrow. We will continue to monitor the weather situation, and we'll keep you updated and informed as we go in to tomorrow. We'll be up early in the morning making updates and keeping you with the latest information. From the Storm Alert Weather Center, this is Chief